Welcome. Today, we are going to create an RPA process together. Let's get started. First, let's open this web page and create a new workflow. We copy this URL, open the browser component, and paste the URL in. We need to input a number plate, so here we use the fill component to select this input box. Seeing a prompt saying to use Ctrl-Shift, left-click when selecting. Here we can change the element name. Write the number plate we want to input here. Press Enter or Save to continue. Use the click component to click on this check button. Similarly, we can also change the name of its element. Here we need to manually input to proceed to the next step. OK, now it's loaded. Notice that it needs a little time to load. So here we set a delay of 5 seconds. Now we use the component to extract the text of this element, see if it's available or not available. Oops, can't select this element. That's okay, because some websites may have restrictions on mouse operations. Let's press Escape to exit selecting. Go back to the web page. Right-click in a blank space on the web page to inspect. Use Ctrl-Shift-C or this button to find the HTML of the available element. Then right-click to copy XPath. Paste the copied content here, and it's done. If we find that the output variable name is not appropriate, just click here and change it. Here we need to use an if statement to determine whether the text is available or not available. Use Python syntax to convert the result we just found into a string. Like this. Because sometimes the result may not be a string. This is for the stability of the process. If you are sure that this variable is a string, you can directly write result is equal to available. Now we use a pop-up to display the result in the pop-up window. Then, we use the else component. Copy the pop-up component and paste it here. Similarly, if it's not available, we also output it. Let's run this workflow. We see it's available. The pop-up also displays available. This process is finished, and you can see it executed successfully. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.